Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Fire and today we're going to be continuing advanced InShot tips, and we're going to be doing animated logo on a video with InShot. So first of all, you obviously have to have the InShot app, and then you're going to pick the video of your choice. So I'm just going to pick a video that I did on Snapchat some days ago. Now that I have picked the video of my choice, I'm going to be reducing the volume because of the copyright. By the way, check out the other tutorials on advanced tips to InShot and more tutorials on InShot, and you're going to be so amazed of how much InShot can do. So we're going to write for the letter logo. We're going to use the lettering in InShot. We're going to use a G, and we're going to turn it upside down just for aesthetics. And we're going to be using an S, and we're going to just leave it normally. So now I'm going to put it at the top right corner or at the lower part, but I think I prefer putting logos at the top, especially when they're letters. For some reason, I do not know why. So as you can see, I'm trying to position it, but I'm not going to end up putting it here. I'm going to end up putting it where I like it more. The flexible thing about InShot is you can always, this InShot tutorial is teaching you how to be creative, so you could do so much more with InShot. I'm just giving you a guide or a tip on how to utilize your InShot account or your InShot app, more than usual. Right now I'm just dragging the white box. When I click on it, I'll drag the white arrow so that the letter gets, farther than it's supposed to be. Then I'm also going to try and click on motion to find out how I want my letters to move. Like I said, this is improvising, and you can use it until you get a professional work, but this can also look for professional depending on how well you try to put it in a video. But this video is just a normal video, so yeah, it may look normal, but you can do better. Also, I have another tutorial that does not allow you to be limited to just InShot alone. You can do so much more. So I can see that I like what I'm seeing right now with my logo. I really like it. So right now I'm trying to add a sticker, and I would really recommend that you go to my other videos to check out how I added my sticker. I use the eraser app, and then what I'm doing right now is I'm going to add a picture logo, or a picture that I created, the sticker that I created that I want to be my permanent logo for the video. So yes, I'm going to also make it move. That's how easy it is to make it move. Just make your own sticker, try and be creative with it, and just click on a loop animation and you should have a perfect video. I hope you're enjoying this tip so far, and if you have not clicked the subscribe button by now, I don't know what you're waiting for. Please hit the subscribe button and comment down below. Tell me what you want me to do. Tell me more tutorials you would need me to do for you, especially concerning InShot or any other app, and I will definitely deliver in time. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you do. This is a video I filmed on a hair tutorial on my channel. Besides just doing any other sticker, you could also add a photo to a video that you're doing. That's like one of the easiest things to do, but I just felt like I should mention it in one of our tutorial. Just go to sticker, click on camera. I'm still going to add the sticker there just to make sure that you know. So right now I'm going to click on the plus sign, and I'm going to click on add from camera roll. I'm just going to pick any meme or anything that I want to use. So I'm going to pick that cat there, and I'm going to add it on my photo. So there you have it. It's a cat, whatever that is. And so it's easy as pie. It's that easy to have, you know, a variety of things show up on your video. It's so easy, and I'm going to save that now. So if this tutorial was very helpful to you, why not just hit the subscribe button? Here is our end result. Why not just hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you next time on this same channel. Do not go anywhere. Fire and Bear loves you. See you.